Hi guys, welcome back to my channel You and I Can Cook. Today I'm going to show you how to make pasta with chicken mince, giving it an Indian twist. It's an easy recipe and tastes really delicious. Do try it out and let me know your comments. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks for watching. I've kept the pan for heating. Now I'm going to pour a little bit of oil. Now put the whole garam masala. This is cinnamon and cloves. Put the onion. Saute the onion till it becomes light brown. Put half teaspoon of salt. The onion is lightly brown. Now put the garlic, chopped garlic. Give it a mix. Put the chopped ginger. Fry it for 2 minutes. Put the chopped tomatoes. And keep frying till the tomatoes become soft. Tomatoes have now become soft. Now let's add the powders. Put the red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and the garam masala powder. Mix and allow it to fry for a minute. Add a little bit of water Mix it up. And now we'll add the mince. Mix well. Put some more water. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let us check the mince. Give it a mix. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. There's enough water here, so I'm not going to add any more water. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes on medium flame. I have kept water here for boiling. I'm going to cook the macaroni in this. The mince is cooked now. Put a little bit of vinegar, say about 1 teaspoon. Add the chopped coriander. I'm not going to dry the water completely in this. Turn up the flame. Mince is now ready. The water is now boiling. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Three-fourths teaspoon salt. And now add the pasta. I put about 400 grams of pasta here. Cover and cook till the macaroni is boiled. Pasta is now cooked. Drain the water now. Add some more cold water to it and drain it again in order to stop the macaroni from overcooking. Put the mince back on the gas. Keep the flame very low. And now add the pasta to the mince. Mix it up with the mince. The macaroni and the mince has now mixed well. Now turn off the flame. Now let's plate the pasta. Put some pasta sauce. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese on top. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Pasta is now ready to be served. And it's done! Pasta with an Indian twist. Thank you so much for watching, guys.